Welcome to Research Hub. In this video, we will learn how to describe and analyze complex charts with the help of different online tools. So, let's begin without wasting your precious time. Okay, first of all, you need to search for the Google AI Studio. Okay, now, click on the first link, that is Google AI Studio. Alright, this window will pop up if you're not logged in from your Google account, so you will be asked for the sign in. Now for example, I want to analyze a complex chart. That is very difficult to understand, so simply copy this chart from here, copy this image, and then go to the Google AI Studio, and then paste it over here. Now, write a prompt as describe and analyze it. And then click on the Run. Wait for the few seconds. The Google AI Studio is generating our result. It has started generating the result. Okay, you can see, start the information about the data point, the exist, as well as the model summary are being generated. That is the model representation, parameters estimation, and each and everything about this chart has been provided by the Google AI Studio in few seconds. So, with the help of Google AI Studio, you can analyze. You can describe any of the complex charts within seconds. This will help you in your research projects, as well as the academic studies. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel.